Well, hello everyone. I had a video for you, and this video is to show you how to make a refresh facial mist. So what you're going to be doing with this at the end of the video, I will try to see if I can spray to see what it's look like. So today I'm going to be using one of this bottle here, and I will be putting up the recipe in front for you so you can follow. And so we're going to be using 3 oils today, and also you can be using a peppermint, some peppermint water. You can, if you have peppermint in your garden, guys, I do this all the time. I just make my own peppermint hydrosol, and if I have rose as well, because rose is so good for the face, you can go ahead and make some rose water as well, and that will give you a good hydrosol water. So you don't have to be buying hydrosol water, you can just make your own. So as you can see here, I'm putting these drops of oil in this bottle, and what I'm going to be doing is that I have some hydrosol water here, and then I'm going to be using it in this mist. So I say go ahead and do this measurement, because I am not sure if you use more oils, maybe it will be too strong for your face, unless you're going to use more hydrosol water, or if you plan to use this for say 2 days, I think you can go ahead and just make it for the 2 days. But if it's going to be longer, you need to be using some hydrosol water, or use the distilled water. And so you can see this video is such a fast video to make, and so I am taking the time out, guys, to show you what springs look like, and summer as well. So this is such an easy project to make, and so I hope you guys go ahead and try these things out. You know what you're spraying with, guys, because not only that, you save money, you know what's in these products that you're making, and spray it on your face. Let me see if you can see any mist right there. There's some mist coming out right now, but they're very fine. So that's what you want anyways if you're gonna spray. So just give it a good shake. Remember to give it a good shake. And you can see I just use 3 oils here with my hydrosol water. Don't forget you can use distilled water as well. I hope you guys checking out the rest of videos that I put up for you guys, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Yeah, also I'm on Facebook as well. So go check out the rest of videos, guys. They are just perfect to watch. Just a little project. Alright, see you in the next video, guys, and I hope you enjoy this quick little video that I've put up for you. Take care. Bye for now.